She failed her own test. Nick used to believe Cly loved her more than anything. But lately, she wasn't sure. The vlogs were getting views. The likes were up. But the love? It felt quiet. So she planned a final test. One bush vlog, deep into the hills, where no Wi-Fi could save him from truth. She flirted with the moment. With the camera. With Bigfoot jokes. Even the rice and jerk. And Cly? He smiled, then walked off. Didn't say a word. Nick stayed, laughing, acting like she didn't care. But her eyes, so different. 30 minutes pass. Then 40. No Cly. Not even a footstep. Until she saw it. Carved into a tree. K+N equals forever. Beneath it a necklace. The one she said she liked in episode 2. The one he said he couldn't afford. Turns out, he was saving for it this whole time. He came back with a flower and a bottle of river water. Me not talk much, he said. But my love you like bushfire wild and real. Nick froze. Camera still rolling. Voice breaking. She failed her own test. But Cly passed everything she never say out loud. Sometimes, love just need quiet moments.